everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy here. Today I'm gonna show you a classic dish from the Chinese kitchen called 番茄炒蛋. It's easy to make as long as you have eggs and tomatoes. Okay, let's get started. These are 3 medium-sized tomatoes which are ripe and flavorful, about 500 grams. Cut into pieces just like this and be sure to remove the ends. In this step, some people would like to get off the skin of tomatoes. Of course, it's good for serving. But usually, to save time or to be lazy, I forgot it. Also need 2 green onions, finely chopped. As optionally, you can use scallions. Next up, crack 3 big eggs into a bowl. Beat them with chopsticks or whisk or fork, whatever you like to use. In my experience, beat them for 100 times. They will be thoroughly whipped. Pour 3 tablespoons of oil into the wok. Heat over medium heat. When just beginning to smoke, add the egg liquid. Keep scrambling until fully cooked. I think in this step should be no raw egg left. Transfer to a bowl. Keep the wok, add chopped onions. Stir fry for seconds. Then go in the tomato pieces. Here, turn down the heat to low to retain the juices and avoid burning. Cook until the tomatoes are soft but still holding shape. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sugar is added to balance the sour taste of tomatoes. Fold in the scrambled eggs, stirring until all the things mixed well. Turn off the heat. Stir-fry tomatoes and eggs. Done. The best way to serve it is with rice. It's juicy and tender to cover the rice well. Very delicious. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. See you next time.